Okay, example 2 here has us graphing a transformation of a trigonometric function. So kind of similar as example 1, they want us to state the amplitude, period, and phase shift for y equals 3 sine of x plus pi over 4. Okay, so this time around the amplitude will have changed. We will have multiplied our traditional sine function that's going from 1 to -1, and it's going to be heightened up to 3 and down to -3. They've kind of already graphed it all for us here, so I guess we're just going through and validating that this looks right. Our sine graph, were it not shifted, I would expect probably this point right here to be at the origin, which means that we have shifted to the left, which is what happens when we add something within the parentheses, when we add to x. So we've added pi over 4, so we want to think about how much of a shift that is. Well, traditionally, we would have been completing our full cycle at 2 pi. Okay, so we're not shifting a full pi back from that. We're not even shifting half a pi from that. We're shifting a quarter, right? So we're going halfway in between these two markings. Each marking would be half a pi, right? Pi, 3 pi over 2, 2 pi. So we're going back a quarter, so we're just going to go to the left by what would be 1/8 of the full cycle, right? The full cycle being 2 pi, pi over 4 would be 1/8 of the way shifted to the left. Gosh, I just can't help myself but point. And then I see myself on the screen pointing the opposite way that I am in real life. Anyways, so here, as far as the period goes, the period is affected when we have a value out front here, right? If there's a value out front, or if there's a value that we can factor out from the parentheses and put it out front of the parentheses, that would affect our period. But since b is just 1, it's kind of, that implicit 1 in there, then our period is just 2 pi over 1. It's still 2 pi. We're still doing our full rotation every 2 pi radians. And I think that's it, right? The amplitude 3, the period 2 pi, the phase shift, which is phase shift, we've gone back by pi over 4. So we've shifted to the left by pi over 4. And